Now, we have breaking news in the house. The former Machachari actress Mama Bob is dead. Now, let us get to know who Mama Bob was and the roles he played in Machachari. Back in the days of Machachari in Citizen TV, the late Gracie Mburu, famously known as Mama Bob. Gracie Mburu, famously known as Mama Bob, on the hit Kenyan TV series Machachari, has died, leaving fans and fellow cast members. The news of her passing was shared by her sister and the former co-star Wanjiku Mburu, known on the shows of Mama Baha on Tuesday, November 4th, 2025, via her TikTok account. The announcement came with a series of heartfelt behind-the-scenes photos capturing the bond the sisters shared both on and off the screen. Machachari, which gained popularity from 2010, featured Mama Bob as one of the mothers living in Nairobi's slum communities. Her character's child was a friend of the younger characters, Mama Baha and Govi, played by Malik Govi. Through her role, Gracie helped portray the everyday struggles, joys, and aspirations of families in Nairobi's informal settlements, earning her place in the hearts of viewers across the country. In her post, Wanjiku Mburu expressed her grief, writing, "And then, my dear sister, rest easy." The revelation that the two actresses were real-life siblings surprised many fans who had known them only as on-scene, on-the-screen family. Malik Govi also paid a tribute on his Instagram account, expressing shock and sorrow. As he said, "Oh God, this really shocked me. I am so sorry. May Gracie Mama Bob rest in eternal peace." Also, fans joined in sharing messages of condolence, celebrating her life and contribution to Kenyan television. Mama Bob's portrayal left a lasting impact, shaping the younger characters' stories and helping cement Machachari's enduring popularity. Her work alongside Mama Baha and Govi remains a defining part of the show's legacy. The family has yet to announce the cause of her death, leaving fans and colleagues hoping for more details in the coming days. So it's a sad news that Mama Bob, the former actress of Machachari, has been announced dead by her sister, who was also the part of the team. Remember, this is Imara TV. Remember to like, share, and finally hit the subscription button.